In this video, I'm going to show you what is my personal thought and opinion on HLBZ, where I'm expecting the price to go and everything. So let's get right into the video. So just by looking on the weekly chart on HLBZ, you can see that we have a big wick right here. Okay, we're not going to neglect the fact. There are a lot of lines on the chart, but if I have to hide them, we can see that here we had a pretty big wick that actually didn't break this high. And you know me. If you don't me, if you oh my god, if you don't know me, I only count the breaks from candles. Now, of course, on the daily chart there is gonna be a break. I understand that, but yeah, my personal previous thought was something as follows. So I was expecting the price to deliver below these lows. It was fantastic. It was cool. So I got the prediction correct and whatnot. After that mitigation, it was just a beautiful upside trend, just beautiful impulsive move up. And I have to say, I like it. Okay, I love it. I love how it actually just pulled out like out of here. It was just beautiful. So what? Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. This has a big potential to either just continue with this bullish move to actually deliver above the highs, which I really doubt, or the next thing that actually could be happening, which I always draw like two scenarios, is to deliver right here a little bit below. And you know me from right here from this demand area, I'm actually expecting this to deliver higher, something like that. So we're gonna see what's gonna be the price. I'm gonna leave it only like this.